Good day, everyone. My topic is all about conic section, the ellipse. Review. The geometric definition relies on the cone and the plane intersecting it. In algebraic definition, a set of points in the plane such that the sum of the distances from the two fixed points called foci remains constant. From each point in the plane, the sum of the distance to the foci is constant. Example. Ang foci, dira dyan na siya duol sa major axis. Then, ang major axis is mao na siya taas na axis. Then, ang kanang minor is mao na short. Items referred on the graph of an ellipse. Fact ellipse equation. X minus h squared over a squared plus y negative k squared over b squared equal 1. Both variables are equal. Equation. What makes the ellipse different from the circle? What makes the ellipse different from the parabola? Where the circle is at h and k, and 2a is the length of the horizontal axis and 2b is the length of the vertical axis. Procedure to graph. First is put in standard form above. X squared term plus y squared term equal 1. Then 2, plot the center h and k. 3, plot the endpoints of the horizontal axis by moving a units left and right from the circle. Then 4th, plot the endpoints of the vertical axis by moving b units up and down from the center. Note, step 3 and 4 locate the endpoints of the major and minor axis. 5, connect endpoints of axis with smooth curve. 6. Use the following formula to help locate the foci. C squared of equal a squared minus b squared if a greater than b, or c squared equal b minus a squared if b greater than a. Challenge question. Why are we using the formula to locate the foci? Draw a diagram and justify your answer. Number 6. Continue. Move C units left and right from the center of the major axis is horizontal, or move C units up and down from the center of the major axis is vertical. Label the points focus 1 and foci 2 for the two foci. Note, it is not necessary to plot the foci to graph the ellipse, but it is common practice to locate them. Need na to i-locate ang foci kay para ma-sure dyan na to or makuha dyan na to ang exact nga graph. 7. Identify the length of the major and minor axis. Number 1, this is the given. X plus 2 squared over 25 plus y minus 3 squared over 16 equal 1. Put in standard form, set equal 1. Done. 2. Plot the center h and k. And our h and k is negative 2 and 3, positive 3. Then, 3rd, plot the endpoints of the horizontal axis by moving a units left and right from the center. Endpoints at negative 7 and positive 3 and positive 3 and positive 3. 4. Plot the endpoints of the vertical axis by moving B units up and down from the center. Then endpoints at -2 and +7 and -2 and -1. Here's the graph. This is the major axis is the yellow, then the center is the violet, and the minor axis is green. 6. Where is the major axis in the problem, horizontal or vertical? Use the following formula to help locate the foci. C squared equal A squared minus B squared if A greater than B, or C squared equal B squared minus A squared if B greater than A. 6. Horizontal because 25 greater than 16 and 25 is under the X. Then the formula is C squared equal A squared minus B squared. Then substitute rather. Then C squared equal 25 because our value of A squared is 25 minus 16 because the value of B is 16. And the result is our C squared is equal 9. Or our C, if we get the square root, it is positive or -3. Move 3 units left and right from the center to locate the foci. Where the foci? The foci is -5 and 3 and +1 and +3. Then, here's the graph. This is the foci 1 and this is the foci 2. The length of major axis is 10. And then the length of the minor axis is 8. Thank you for watching.